Another good thing to point out about these speakers, this little emblem here can rotate because we're mounting the speakers horizontal. The word d.a.s is up the right way. And cut. We're at Ellerslie, and the angle of those purlins that run down the hall, because we want to get the angle of the speaker, I'm needing to get the builder to make me an angle of a piece of wood so we can have the bracket up 90 degrees, and then when it's up, it'll be facing down the center of the room. So we've got a row of speakers down the right hand side and a row down the left hand side. We sort of want to focus the sound to the center of the room, so without that piece of wood there's just not enough clearance for the speaker, and it'll end up playing straight across the room, and we don't want it. These two screws come out. We've put a angled piece of wood in behind the bracket here to have that bracket 90 degrees to the floor, so we can get the right angle of the speaker. There's a couple of screws each side, one that supports it and the other one gives it the ability to swing, and because of that extra piece of wood we can get the optimum angle to play straight down to the center of the room. Because there's left and right, if the room gets full, everyone's going to have the same balance of sound.
Setting up some conference equipment. We just have some lights and some screens and speakers for a 3-day conference. We have 2 Vantech 12s and 2 Avant 18s, 3 projectors and screens, 4 movers.